welcome to Smart Blocks. This is the first video on the official channel. So welcome. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like, and turn on those notifications. As you guys can see from the title today, we are gonna learn how to do like group name tags like the Target store and like Nova Hotels. All those big fancy groups that have those name tags. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it today. And if you find this helpful, make sure to share this because you never know. Step 1, get into your place. Step 2, when you're in your place, go in the link of the description below and get the model that I provided you, which is right here. So shout out to the person who made this, but I'm going to quickly just show you guys how to create it. Alright guys, let's get started. Make sure you open up the script with this arrow right here. When it is open, get your rank folder and put it in the replicated storage section, so right here. Then get your local script and put it in your starter GUI. Now get your Rainbow v3 and put it in server script service. Now I'm going to rename this rank handler. There we go. Open it up. Alright guys, once it is open, shout out to Xbox Coder 59 for making this. I hope this is fine, but I'm just spreading out your creation. After you open this, you'll see the screen. Shout out to Xbox Coder 59 for making this. I'll leave his channel in the description below, and along with the tutorial there. So for right here, this is for like the game pack rainbow name. So if you want like someone to have a rainbow name, then you would have this right here. So first off, you need to fill out the requirement here. So get your group ID. My ID is whatever this is. Now the speed is like for rainbow, how fast. I would keep it at 0. And that's all. If you want a custom name for only yourself, I could do, because my name is Robothon. So let's quickly test this out. We have loaded in here, and this is my rank. I am the owner of the group, and you guys can see it has worked successfully. Even if I were to reset here, boom! You'd see it would reappear. So let's do the custom name. Put in your username. So my username is RobothonX. Now let's do a rank I want. So I want the rank YouTuber. Let's test it out. So this will give me like a YouTuber thing. Now the text will look a little different. If you would like to change that, all you have to do is turn the transparency into 1. Right here, and you can go ahead and test it again. And it looks normal. Just to let you guys know about that. Now, let's say you want a rainbow name tag. Let's change my name to RobothonX right here. So now I should have the rainbow name tag. Here's our rainbow name tag, as you guys can see. And yeah, that's for the admin part. So if you want anybody to have a rainbow name tag, you just put their name right down there. Now, if you want like now guys, if you would like let's say a game pass, then what you need to do is go to another link in the description, which will give you the game pass version. So I just painted it right here, and it looks all the same, but there's a game pass ID. So I can't show you an example since I don't have a game pass, but you just fill it out, and same with the admins, and everything will be the same down here. Again, shout out to Xbox59 for making this. It's just one of the best things, and I know it's free and safe to use. So make sure you check it all in the description. Check out our channel. Thank you for watching Smart Blocks. I hope it helped. Until the next video, goodbye.